1994 Harley-Davidson Wide Glide here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 80 cubic inch engine, 5-speed manual transmission. This one has 19,849, I believe, on it right now as far as actual miles go. Check out the still pictures. You'll be able to see close-up still pictures of the bike, every angle, at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description, and that's going to take you right to our website. You'll be able to see all the pics there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Give you a good look at the tank color. Want to see the exact miles, 19,849. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. Now, a few accessories that have been added on this. Leather saddlebags in the rear, as you can see, if you notice a little windscreen up front also. Looks like a Corbin seat. Also has forward controls, mini apes. And get a good look from the left side of the bike here. Let's go ahead and fire it up so you can hear it run. Click on the ignition here. We're in neutral. Of course, there is a choke over here. This one's been sitting inside, so not needed the choke. Nice sounding bike. Again, 1994 Harley-Davidson Wide Glide. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. If you're watching it on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to all our pics. Phone number to call, 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. Look forward to hearing from you on this one.